how to submit your URL so that I can actually see it. All right, on here, this is the link from the announcements, or if you found it just in modules, that's fine. You'll click on Submit Assignment. We need to type in the website URL right here. However, you cannot copy and paste. I know this tells you I can't change this, okay, because it won't let me. It says to copy and paste the link to the website that you'd like to submit for the assignment. However, let's look at the URL that appears in the address bar from my website, right? This is not the name of your website. If you copy and paste this, I will not be able to see it and you'll get a 0 and you'll have to try again. This is because you are in edit mode. Even if you click on view mode, it doesn't take you to the right thing. Instead, you click on the little sandwich in the corner, you go to your dashboard, it'll then show you the name of your website. If it'll let you copy that, great. I know it takes you straight to your website. Then back here, you could paste that. That is the actual name of the website and will actually take me to it when I click on that link. If yours doesn't let you copy and paste for whatever reason, you just need to type out the name of your website that you see when you click on that dashboard. Okay. Be careful to type it out exactly. So double check your spelling. Make sure that you're doing Jim Doe with a D, jimdofree.com. This is a dot, not an at, .jimdofree.com. Then you can submit your assignment. To double check that it worked, you can click on submission details over here in the right-hand top-ish corner. And you should be able to see your website here. If you click on view in a new tab, and it takes you to your website, then you know that it worked. So double check that your submission worked. If you're seeing zeros, this is why, and try again.